In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dashboard in Lightning Experience, or Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to create a clear, interactive dashboard from scratch using reports you already have. Start on the Salesforce homepage. In the top bar, click into the global search field. Type dashboard to quickly jump to the dashboards area. Then open the dashboards workspace. This is the central place where you'll create and manage all your dashboards. Next, click New Dashboard. A setup window appears. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name and add a concise description so teammates understand its purpose at a glance. Then choose a folder where it will be saved. The folder matters because it controls who can see and use the dashboard, so pick a folder that matches your audience, whether that's just you or a broader team. Click Create to open the dashboard builder. You'll see a blank grid that acts as your canvas. Let's add your first component. Select Plus component to open the report picker. Choose a source report that already summarizes data the way you need. For charts, the report must include at least one grouping, such as grouping opportunities by stage or accounts by industry. If a report isn't grouped, update that report first so it can power a meaningful visualization. After selecting a report, configure the visualization. Pick a chart type that best matches the story you want to tell. Bar for comparisons, donut for parts of a whole, or funnel for stages. Edit the component title to be specific and action-oriented. Adjust display units, such as abbreviating large numbers, and choose a color palette that improves readability and aligns with your team's conventions. Use the preview to confirm it looks right. Arrange the layout by dragging components on the grid and resizing them by their edges. Place the most important insights near the top left, keep related visuals close together, and balance sizes so nothing feels cramped. A clean layout makes your dashboard easier to scan and use. Now add interactivity with filters. Click plus filter, pick a field such as region or close date, and set default values. Filters apply across components that share that field, letting users refine what they see with a single click. Keep filters focused so the dashboard remains simple and fast. When everything looks good, click Save, then Done. You'll land on the live dashboard, where filters are clickable and charts update instantly. If something needs a tweak, open Edit to adjust components or switch the source report. That's it, you've built a polished dashboard in Lightning Experience.